Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar, we have to keep an eye out for this making a higher low, especially if it turns out to be like a running flat. But it seems like it possibly could turn into an expanding flat too, which would go down and take out both of these lows before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where I think it's clearly that this is impulsive up, and then this is all corrective from that point on. So 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. We're probably in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a running, or possibly a expanding for the 3-3-5 pattern, which is a crescent to this impulsive move up over here. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the Aussie definitely has made an impulsive move up, but we really can't confirm that there's a significant turn up. If this really is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3, then this thing has actually got a lot of downside potential. So definitely be aware that the trend is definitely down on the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, to me it still looks like this could be a wave A. Looks like it made 3 waves down for a B. It kind of looks like it might be going up for a C. Now if it is an ABC crescent, I would keep a close eye on these Fibonacci levels for a possible turn back down to the downside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me it seems very clear that this is 5 waves up over here, wave A. I also think it seems very clear that this is an A. This looks like 3 waves up for a B. It seems like it's potentially already made 5 waves down for a C. We got a 61% Fibonacci bounce. We got a nice big move to the upside. It hasn't really made an engulfing move yet, but if it does make an engulfing move, I think there's a good chance that it is going to be the end of a crescent, probably the continuation of the uptrend for a big wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.